Welcome back to Forkcast. This is episode 14. 15 trending open source projects on GitHub right now, including a project management tool. Learning AI from scratch means drowning in scattered YouTube tutorials and outdated blog posts with no clear path forward. Microsoft's AI for Beginners gives you 12 weeks and 24 lessons covering deep learning, NLP, CNNs, and GANs, all in Jupyter notebooks you can run locally. With 59K stars and 1,246 commits, it's the most starred AI curriculum on GitHub. Start with the first lesson and build your way up. Jira charges per seat, Linear locks you into their workflow, and both take weeks to configure. Kaneo is an open-source project management tool you can self-host in minutes with Docker, 2,313 commits, Kanban boards, task reminders, label management, and a built-in MCP server for AI integration. TypeScript, Hano backend, MIT license. Deploy it today and own your project data. Running a 70B parameter language model normally demands 40 GB of GPU memory, pricing out anyone without enterprise hardware. airllm uses layer-by-layer inference to run 70B models on a single 4 GB GPU. Version 3.1.0 just shipped with Kimi K3 support for 2.8 trillion parameter models, 308 commits, Apache 2.0, and it works with DeepSeek, Llama, and more. Try it on your old GPU. YouTube tracks every video you watch, builds behavioral profiles, and serves targeted ads based on your activity. Invidious is a privacy-respecting alternative front-end written in Crystal that strips out all tracking. 22K stars, 5,911 commits, Docker and Kubernetes ready. Self-host your own instance and watch YouTube without Google watching you back. Reading academic papers about how databases or web browsers work is painful. Build Your Own X gives you 535K starred step-by-step tutorials to recreate 27 technologies from scratch, from operating systems to search engines to neural networks. Python, C++, Rust, JavaScript, pick your language. As Feynman said, "What I cannot create, I do not understand." Start building. Setting up a reverse engineering environment means installing Ghidra, Frida, JADX, and a dozen other tools manually, then configuring them to work together. ReverseSkill is an AI-powered router that bootstraps your entire security toolchain on demand. 14.6K stars, supports Claude Code, Cairo, Cursor, and Klein. It auto-routes tasks to the right tool and evolves its knowledge base as you work. Install it and start reversing. Claude Cowork lets you run multi-agent workspaces, but it's locked inside Anthropic's ecosystem. Openwork is the open-source alternative, powered by open code, giving you agent collaboration with skill marketplaces and plugin support. 20.5K stars, 4,129 commits, Electron desktop app. Publish skills, assign them to teams, and run Anthropic-compatible plugins. Try it free. Most developers know how to call an API, but have no idea how to build production generative AI applications. Microsoft's 21-lesson curriculum covers prompt engineering, RAG, fine-tuning, and image generation from zero. 115K stars, 61.3K forks recently migrated to the Responses API. All Jupyter notebooks, MIT license, dev container ready. Start with Lesson 1. Your AI agent can write code but can't search Twitter, Reddit, YouTube, or Chinese platforms like Bilibili without expensive API keys. Agent Reach gives your agent eyes on the entire internet through one CLI with zero API fees. 65K stars, supports 7 platforms including Xiaohongshu, built-in whisper transcription with Grok fallback. Install it and let your agent see the web. Every time you start a new chat with an AI agent, it forgets everything from your last conversation. TencentDB-Agent-Memory creates 4 reusable memory assets: chat history, skills, an LLM wiki, and a code graph that persists across sessions. 11.4K stars, team-level sharing across agents and frameworks. Memory core, memory knowledge, memory panel, and memory proxy handle the heavy lifting. Start remembering. Finding what people are actually saying about a topic right now means manually checking Reddit, X, YouTube, Hacker News, and Polymarket, which takes hours. Last 30 days skill searches all of them and synthesizes a grounded summary. 57K stars, 1,160 commits, 2,700 plus tests, keyless Reddit scraping, shredded comment enrichment, and YT DLP for YouTube. Give your agent real-time research superpowers.